In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 Shopify winning products that are making more than $100,000 every single month. One of them is making $600,000 a month after just 10 months in business. Let's find out. Hey, what is up? In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 amazing winning products and why they sell and exactly how to target them. As part of our Monday winning product series, I'm gonna show you literally products that are making 6 figures a month or more every single month, how to target them, and what angles to use in your marketing. And as always, in every video, I give out a free one-on-one consulting call directly with me to review your ads, review your store, whatever you want me to do. All you have to do is comment secrets down in the comments below, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell. I will be checking. And before starting, check out the first link in the description down below. It's a free step-by-step masterclass on how to start making $10,000 every single month on Shopify. More than 3,000 people have already watched that masterclass. Go check that first link and watch it right now. All right, the first product I'm gonna show you is this Orthopedic support brace, and we're gonna watch this little video right here. It starts off basically with a medical angle. So it starts off with like this podiatrist is going to show you where your pain comes from and really just explaining it very in detail from a medical doctor perspective. I love this ad, captures your attention and creates credibility very, very quickly. You can see in the bottom, it has 1.4 million views in just 3 weeks with massive engagement on here. And we're gonna go to the product very quickly, but it just keeps hammering on that medical aspect, just keeps hammering. It's like a 6-minute video. If you wanna watch it, the link is down in the description. And then you go to this page right here, patented Ortho Pro Brace Support. So you can see that it's basically a brace for your foot to prevent plantar fasciitis, which is a condition of the foot. And it really hurts a lot, especially in older people. And that's the audience that they're going with this. They're creating credibility with the medical angle, with the medical aspect, and then trying to sell them on this product. This page is absolutely amazing because it's a one product page, but it's also a full-on store. So if you go to the main store, Pears and Peaches, it's a full-on orthopedic kind of medical store. We can see here, it's a full, basically niche store. Right here, collections, they have on the top. It's not really the best store in the world, but this particular page is making them $600,000 a month after just 10 months in business. This is ridiculous. Like 10 months in business, they're making $500,000 every single month through the store, and this is their main selling product. Right now, you can see Fix the Feet, Fix the Pain. This product is just absolutely crushing it, and it's this little like brace right here. You can just type it on AliExpress. Let's actually look for the product on Ali. And I love that they're using really that medical angle. That's like the best here. Orthopedic foot brace. You can see it here, foot brace. And then let's check it out on AliExpress. Boom, we can find it. Let's see if we can find it right here. All right, so to actually find it on AliExpress, you will have to put in orthopedic foot patch. That's how you essentially find it, and you can go down to the scroll down section. You can find the exact same product here. If you go to the page, it's literally the exact same product on AliExpress. They're obviously dropshipping it. This isn't anything special, anything medical. There's no doctors involved. It's just a dropshipper, probably just like me, that is doing this right here. But the page is just crafted so well. It's a one product page, a one product landing page, and they're absolutely crushing it on there. I'm probably gonna do a full-on case study about this store because $600,000 a month after 10 months is pretty ridiculous. And the whole page just is perfectly crafted. Every single word is thought out in detail, and then they sell it for a really expensive price on the bottom right here. So that's essentially the product. As you can see, it's making $600,000 every single month. So how do we target this product? This is something that was missing from the past product video. I didn't tell you how to target. I didn't tell you what angles to use. I'm sorry about that. In this video, I am doing that. So huge market with many sub niches. You can target old people that have foot problems. You can target people that have arthritis. You can pretty much target literally everyone, construction workers, just everybody around the world. It solves a massive worldwide problem, which is foot pain, leg pain, and just overall arthritis pain and just pain in the whole body, pretty much. The targeting, I would do arthritis, plantar fasciitis, which are both targetings on Facebook, and then the Dr. Oz show, or Dr. Oz in general, and the Oprah show. Why Dr. Oz and Oprah? The people that watch these particular shows and are interested in these particular celebrities, they buy a lot online, especially supplements and things for the health. Like I have experience selling multiple products in the health niche to these two audiences, and they work like crazy. The Dr. Oz audience is just perfect on Facebook. There's like millions of people for that audience. The other thing you can do is like health magazines as well. So you can just type in on Google like best health magazines in the US, best health magazines around the world, and just target those and check if they're available on Facebook. And then it's also possible to create a long-term brand with this product, with multiple products. Like you can see this particular store, they did that one product page and they created basically a brand off of it. Like when people go to this, they see plantar compress technology, right? So they've basically created their own kind of private labeled product. They don't really have the label on the product itself, but it's a brand off of just a random dropshipped product from AliExpress. And you can see if you go to their store, they basically built a whole, like this is just a general store, honestly. This isn't even like an arthritis kind of pain store. This is just a random product store. They just found one product that sold, created a one product page for it, and they're absolutely just crushing it with it. All right, the second winning product, as we can see here, is this easy car cleaner, which basically cleans your car in about a minute or two, right? This is a massive problem around the world, just cleaning cars, especially people in the United States, that you kind of have to have a car. In Europe, it's not that much where, you know, people use public transportation or they're just used to like not using a car or having a car. In the US, it's a massive problem, and also in the UK and Australia. So those are three massive countries that you can target for this particular product. You can see it has 2.1 million views in just 2 months with really good engagement right here. And we can go to the actual page. They're selling it for $43, which is actually a huge markup off of AliExpress. If we go to AliExpress right now, and just the video is like very simple. It doesn't have anything to do with any particular angle or any particular marketing tactic. It's just showing off the product. People like it. It's a no-brainer product and they buy it immediately. And a little bit of an insight, if you ever want to find a product from a particular Shopify store, if you want to find it on AliExpress and just by typing it, you can't really find the listing, all you have to do is use this app, Ali Hunter. I like it. It's a bit buggy. Sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it really can't find anything. But if you click here, as you can see, it's finding seller. This has been going on for like 5 minutes. I've been trying to film this video, so we're not going to still wait for it, but sometimes it does find you the seller. And to find out how much you're actually making, you can go to this app called Sales Source right here, which is how we check the previous store. Let's click on Analyze Store and let's see how much they're making with this little thing. Let's see, and it's gonna load right now. And in 6 months, they're already making $78,000 to $157,000 every single month. Absolutely crazy. And why this product sells and how to actually target it, well, we can go right here. It's a worldwide problem solver. It really is a no-brainer product for most people, especially in the United States, where having a car is kind of a necessity in most states and most cities and most big cities. And people see this and they're like, I need this. Like, I spent so much money cleaning my car or paying somebody to clean my car, just spending so much time on it. It is worth $40 for sure. Even if someone is like broke, that has no money, this is gonna be worth $40 just by the hours and hours of time they save. Targeting, I would do either car brands, like very general US car brands like Ford, Chevrolet, and all of those pretty much like general affordable car brands. I would also do auto repair brands like Advanced Auto Parts or other brands that have to do with auto repair or auto fixing, and then also auto magazines. And I would either narrow down car brands with auto magazines, which is for sure that person has a car, or just people that are interested in auto repair. If they're interested in that, they most likely have a car. And then it also fits many niches and general store. Even if you have a niche store that doesn't really have to do that much with cars, you can still do it as like a lifestyle kind of life improving product, and you can sell it that way. If you have a general store, obviously you can sell it that way. Before we go on, I do want to congratulate Mo Adi for being the winner of the consulting call of this video. If you want to win a call, comment secrets down below, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And the third product that I want to show you, even though it's in Spanish and it's more for a Spanish Latin American market, it's unexplored in the US, UK, Australia. So this is a particular ad that's absolutely destroying it in the Spanish market. You can see right here it has 780,000 views in just 3 months with really, really good engagement. And if we go to the actual page, here it's for $43 and they're making about 14,000 a month with this particular product. So let's go to the actual video so you understand a little bit more of the product. So it's a little construction toy that you can actually build things very quickly, and you can see right here on the product, and it really is unexplored in the US. I haven't seen US ads to it. I've just seen this ad and a lot of people doing it in the German market, French market, and Italian market. Not really that many people doing it in the English market. So if you're thinking, oh, maybe I need a product that's unsaturated, this is kind of a good idea to do it right now. You can see here they're selling it for a pretty high price at $44. And even though this store is only making $14,000, which is still a lot from just this product, on AliExpress, there's multiple listings with like 1,000 orders, 100 orders, 400 orders, and just a bunch of orders, 1,800, 1,500, 2,300. Like, this product is making multiple seven figures for all of these sellers. I couldn't find other sellers that are doing it in the US or that are doing too many of this product, but it really is an unexplored product. Kids toys, in my experience, sell like animals. They sell like crazy, and they can make you a lot of money because it's a cycling product. People buy it again and again and again. Kids basically need toys for their whole life. So even though they're like 3 years old or 10 years old, parents are still gonna buy more and more toys every single time. I have experience selling like multiple six figures of toys. And if we go to the actual targeting, how to market this product, we can see here multiple angles to market it. You can even do it on a learning aspect where they're actually like building something, learning about shapes. If they're a really small kid, they're learning about shapes, about squares, about circles and stuff like that. Or you can also combine it with just a fun toy. It's actually like a fun toy that you can move around and play with. So the targeting, I would do parenting magazines, which are pretty much the best thing to target if you're trying to sell a toy, anything for kids. Just parenting magazines, just go with that. I have multiple experiences with that, doing the best. Kids toy brands as well, like Hasbro, Huggies, things basically for kids and babies that have to do with toys or anything that has to do with entertainment, as well as like Toys R Us is a really good brand, and Babies R Us is also a really good brand now that they're pretty much like blown out of the planet. And then parent demographic that you can find on Facebook. You can put like parents of 0 to 18, 1 to 2, 3 to 5, etc. And then the last thing, this pretty much has a worldwide appeal and a mass market. It doesn't only fit one particular country. It doesn't only fit one particular culture. And as the store has pretty much proven it out, like a lot of people say, oh, the Spanish market, the Latin American market, they don't have that much money. You can't really sell that well there. They're actually making six figures a year just from that product there with like a debut team. But if you're thinking of getting into a market that's not necessarily the US or an English speaking market, you can get into another market. I have people in my inner circle, in my private coaching program. I have people pretty much doing in a bunch of different markets, one in Malaysia, one in Germany, one in Spain, in Italy as well. And they're doing really, really massive numbers just by focusing on that market and absolutely dominating it. Now, the last thing, what to do next, start promoting these products to basically stay ahead of the competition. If you want every single Monday, I give out free winning products. They're absolutely crushing it. We go into the targeting, we go into why they sell so you can understand marketing and understand what products sell on Shopify. Subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get 3 trainings every single week with course level YouTube content. And then the last thing, check the first link down in the description for a free step-by-step masterclass. Subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see 5 stores doing more than $1 million, 5 Shopify stores doing multiple 7 figures every single year, check out the video right here. Click that video for $1 million stores. Click it right here. It's going to be a window right here. Just click that video, subscribe to this channel, hit that notification bell, and check out the links in the description. The first one, step-by-step free masterclass. Second one, my step-by-step e-com inner circle. You can check it out right now.